Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a column chart based on this data. So for example, we have here two columns, month and number of sales. So if we want to create a new chart, we need to select all this data, and after that we need to go to Insert tab. Here we need to click on Chart, and then on default column chart will be successfully created here. So how you see it looks really great. We can easily move this chart to another position, maybe somewhere here. If you want, we can modify x-axis or series data, or we can customize this chart. If we will go to Customize tab, we will be able to change the chart style. For example, we can modify background color. I will click here maybe on yellow. We can modify chart and axis titles. We can modify this one title if you want. We can bold this text. We can change alignment settings. For example, I will center it. We can modify series settings. So I will change maybe line dash type to this one, or maybe I will select here dashed line. Everything depends on your preferences. We can modify the legend settings. You can bold it if you want, or you can change text color. For example, I select here maybe blue. And you can modify horizontal axis settings, vertical axis settings, and the same with grid lines and ticks. If you want, you can always change the color of this column, so you need to click double time on it, and then you'll be able to change the fill color. So for example, I select here maybe this one color, then it will be successfully changed. The same you can make with the another column. For example, this one column, I will change it maybe to red color. Then I will change maybe this column to another color. For example, I select here green. And this one color, maybe I will change to magenta color, so I click on it. So in this way you can easily edit your chart in Google Sheets. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's a problem.